Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode in TikTok. Well, first, you just need to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So go to Google Play Store and here search for TikTok. Now, if an update button shows up, just need to tap on update. Now, once you've done, just need to open your TikTok app. Now, to enable the picture-in-picture mode, just need to tap and hold on the video. So basically, tap and hold on that and an option shows up here. Now, as you can see at the top right, you'll find that picture-in-picture mode. So tap on that. And basically, as you can see here, turn on picture-in-picture. Videos will continue playing in a small window when you leave the app. So turn on and it will automatically open up your settings. So first, you just need to turn on or enable this display over other apps option. So go to TikTok app and just need to click or tap on that and enable allow display over other apps. Once you've done, go back here and as you can see, it is now turned on. So if we go to your home screen, you'll find that TikTok in a picture-in-picture mode. So that's how you basically enable picture-in-picture mode in TikTok. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.